Now let us study one more very important problem in limits. Limit as x tends to infinity 1 minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole to the power 3x minus 1. So this question was asked in Karnataka CET 2004. Okay, option C has already given e to the power 4, e to the power 3, e to the power 12 and e to the power minus 12. So before to approach the solution, I just want to remind you the concept which is required to solve this problem. Okay, so let us understand the concept. So don't forget these two identities which are most important. Limit as x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x to the power x is equal to e. Okay, so or else you can use limit as x tends to 0 1 plus x to the power 1 by x is equal to e. So using these two identities we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so let me consider minus 4 divided by x minus 1 is equal to t. Why I am taking it as minus 4 divided by x minus 1 equal to t? It's very simple. I want to represent it in the form of 1 plus t. Okay, therefore as x approaches infinity, t is approaching 0. Okay, so you can observe as x approaches infinity, t is approaching 0. Therefore x tends to infinity changes to t tends to 0. So in place of minus 4 divided by x minus 1, let me write t. Okay, so I am following this identity right now. Okay, so you can observe whenever we have x, its power is 1 by x, means we have to ensure that the power and this term both are reciprocal of each other. Therefore as it is t, I must take 1 by t as a primary power. Okay, as it is 1 by t is an extra power which was not given in the problem, again I have to balance the power. So to balance, 1 by t is multiplied by t only, which is nothing but reciprocal of the same 1 by t. So 1 by t into t is nothing but 1, so it is well balanced. Now what is the original power? Original power which was given in the problem is 3x minus 1, right? So you can observe we have limit as t tends to 0 1 plus t to the power 1 by t, which is nothing but e. Now what remains is only power. So you should think how to find the solution for this power. Okay, so base is already confirmed. Now let's see how to approach a solution for this power. Okay, now observe. So this power I can use a concept or property of limit as x tends to infinity. I am solving only power terms. So in the power we have t. What do you mean by t? Minus 4 divided by x minus 1 and 3x minus 1, right? Therefore I have already told you whenever it is x tends to infinity, we have to understand that 1 by x tends to 0, means what? The numerator is always finite quantity. If x comes in the denominator, the function tends to 0. So let me take x to the denominator. How we can take x to the denominator? By taking common. So take x common, what we get in the bracket? 3 minus 1 by x in the numerator. Similarly 1 minus 1 by x in the denominator. So x term get cancels. So what is 1 by x value? 0. What is 1 by x value? 0. So what remains in the numerator? Minus 4 in the bracket, 3 minus 0, and here it is only 1 remains. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. Therefore what is the power in this case? Minus 12. Hence what should be the final answer? E to the power minus 12. So you can observe e to the power minus 12, that is option D is correct. Now let's see how better you can solve the same problem using a shortcut. Okay, so let's see what is the trick. Now observe, if you have limit as x tends to infinity 1 plus minus 4 divided by x minus 1 and whole raised to 3x minus 1. Observe the power carefully. Is it nothing but the product of numerator of this fraction and coefficient of x, which is nothing but minus 4 into 3 is nothing but minus 12. Array, there exists a shortcut here. So let us understand what is that shortcut, right? Let us generalize it. If there exists a function 1 plus ax a by x whole raised to bx, limit as x tends to infinity, then your answer is always in the form of e to the power ab. What is a? A is the numerator of this fraction. What is b? B is the x coefficient. Therefore what is your Answer e to the power ab. I hope you understood the shortcut. Thank you.